Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a seed that would help you to firm up your skin, tighten it up and glow your skin. Basically, you are gonna be looking really sweet. Yeah, so if you want to know all of the ingredients that I'm going to be putting in here, please stay put. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video. And now let me walk you through into the video. So to firm up and tighten up your loose and saggy skin, you're going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato is a natural home remedy that works wonders in repairing the skin. It helps to shrink the size of the large pores. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to be cutting the tomato into pieces. And now we will have to be turning that into the bowl. So you have to make sure that your tomato paste is actually very smooth. And then also we're going to be making use of yogurt. And with the lactic acids in yogurt, it helps to fight fine lines and wrinkles from the skin. It also helps to maintain an even clear, smoother skin. And it's also a great remedy for firming and tightening up the large open pores. So we're going to be needing about 1 tablespoon, which is what I've actually measured into this bowl already. Now after putting that in together, I'm gonna be mixing it all up. You're gonna be mixing it really good. So the next ingredient you're gonna be needing is coconut. Now you can either use coconut oil or you use coconut milk. Now to extract the coconut milk or to get my coconut milk, I would have to be extracting the coconut milk myself. Yeah, so I would have to be using So now to extract the coconut milk, I'll be putting the coconut into a blender, putting in a little water, and I'll blend it out so that I can get my coconut juice. Okay guys, so I have a bowl here. Now I'll have to be straining out the coconut milk into this bowl. So we're going to be scooping in a good quantity of this coconut milk, about 2 tablespoons. And then we'll stir it all out. Now like I earlier said, if you don't want to use the coconut milk, you can also use the coconut oil. Okay? And then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of will be okra. Now in this okra, we're going to be using the seed, okay, because okra seed has a lot of anti-aging remedy that helps to firm up the skin. It also helps to close up a large and open pores, and it leaves the skin rejuvenated and really polished. Yeah, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to cut this okra into two. And just the seed is what we're gonna be needing. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to extract all of the seed from this okra. So it's just for you to cut open the okra and then you extract all of the seed. Okay, you do not need the okra itself, only the seed. That's what you need. Alright, so this is the okra seed, and now we'll have to transfer that into the blender. Put a little bit of water, just a little bit, to blend it all out. And now we'll have to be turning that into the treatment. And this is actually, you can see it's actually not slimy or dry. Okay, it's actually because it's just the seed we use. And then also we're going to be making use of rice powder. And rice powder is a great remedy for a firmer skin, a tighter skin, and a more glowing skin. Okay, so we're going to be using 1 teaspoon mix it up, and we're going to be needing to use oil, and olive oil is going to be the recommended oil for this treatment. Yeah, it helps to firm up the skin, okay, and it also helps to glow and polish up the skin when used with this other ingredients. So I'm going to be using just a little few drop of it, which is about half teaspoon, and then I would have to stir this all out, and this is it. Okay, so this is a great remedy to tighten up your skin. You can do this as often as you can, and your skin will be really glowing. Okay guys, so you have your okra seed in here, and of course, like I used to do, I kind of refrigerated it, okay, because I need it to be chilled. And you don't need to refrigerate it for too long, guys, because it's gonna make the oil on it, you know, solid, and you don't need the oil to be solid. So after you refrigerate it, then you would have to stir it up again. Okay, just a little time in the refrigerator is perfect, not too much of time, okay, so that it does not make the oil stiff. So then I'll be using a brush, and I'll be packing this, and trust me, it smells really nice too. I'll pack this goodness onto my face. Okay, so you have to make sure to apply this generously. Give it a generous application. Okay. Apply it everywhere except maybe your under eye area. Okay, because I have a treatment for you that is coming up very soon on this channel that will be perfect for your under eye, and if you're having a puffy eye, it's good. Okay, so this is actually going to help to tighten up your skin. Now, before you leave this on, yeah, it is ideal you first of all, oh my god, it's cooling, like it's so cooling. First of all, give it a general scrub, massage it all over, massage all over your face with it, because there are some particles in it. Okay, and that will help to, you know, give you that glow. That will help to tighten up the skin. And this is how it is. Okay, so after you've actually massaged it, now you would be leaving this treatment on your face for some minutes. Yeah, now before you leave it on, you have to pack it onto your face again. Okay, now if you're not comfortable for, you know, for the okra seed, you can skip it, but I'll recommend you use it because it's very good. Okay, so make sure to apply it in an upward direction. Alright, so after which this is done, then you leave it for like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. You leave it on for some while, and then it gets into your skin, tighten, firm, and rejuvenate your skin. And trust me guys, when you do this at least 3 times or 2 times in a week, you are gonna be seeing that great result. See, there's something I want to tell you guys. This thing, natural remedy, it actually does not work like magic. You have to apply it again and again. You'll see a great result on your skin. Okay, so go try it out and let me know how it is. So that's it guys, it is as simple as that. Use okra seed plus all of this. Like I am telling you, it has enough vitamins to glow your skin and to make you look really beautiful. Yeah, so if you do enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to thumb it up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video, and be safe guys. I will see you soon in my next video, and bye bye.